Hello, let's do exercise 1, page 24. Consider the following the figure below. Look at the figure. Give three other names for the straight line D. Look at the straight line D. Give other names. To give other names, we have to find two points on this straight line and we name it as using these letters in capital. So let's name it. We have A and B. So we open parentheses. We open the parentheses. We write capital A, capital B, and we close the parentheses. Let's name another way. We can take, for example, B and C. So we open parentheses, B, C, we close the parentheses. We can take, for example, the letter A, the point A with the point C. So we write capital A and capital C between parentheses. Now draw BC in red. Look at BC, it is between brackets. So we want to draw a segment from the point B to the point C only. So let's draw them in red. Draw the segment BC in red. Now draw the segment DC. To draw the segment, it is between brackets, so segment. To draw the segment, we have to join the point D to the point C and we don't elongate it. So we draw a line, a segment from D to C only. Now answer by true or false. Let's answer. B is a point of AC. AC is a segment. So we have to move our finger from A to C. Let's move it and we see if we pass through B or not. A, yes, it is here the B. So B is a point of AC. So it's true. Now D is on the straight line D. Look, D is on the straight line D. Let's move our finger on the straight line D and we see if we pass through D or not. Move on D. So no, we don't pass through D. So this statement is not true. It is false. So we write false. Now C is not on the segment AB. Let's move from A to B. A to B. We don't pass through C, so it's true. C is not a point on AB. Now BC is a semi-straight line. Look, BC has brackets. Is it a semi-straight line? Sure not, because the semi-straight line has a bracket and a parenthesis, so it is false. This statement is false. AC is a segment. Look at AC, it has parentheses. And the segment has what? It has brackets. So false. It is not a segment, it is a straight line. Now let's do exercise 3, page 25. Find the distance from the point A to the line D in each of the following cases. Let's do this one. To find the distance, do you remember what we do? We have to draw a perpendicular line. So how to draw the perpendicular line? We use the set square. So we take the set square, we put this side on the line D. We look this side on the line D and we move it till it passes through the point A. We move it till it passes through A. Then we draw the perpendicular from A to D. We draw the perpendicular from A to D. And we put a small square. We put a small square here. Now we take a ruler and we measure the distance. We don't elongate the perpendicular line because we have to find the distance. So we take a ruler and we measure this perpendicular from A to D, and we find that the measure is equal to 1.9 centimeter. So it will be 1.9. Now we will do this one. We will find the distance from A to D. We do the same steps. We take the set square. We put it on the line D. We put it on the line D. And we move it till it passes through A. Then we draw a perpendicular from A to D, but we don't elongate it because we have to find the distance. Now we put a small square here because it is perpendicular. We put a small square, then we measure the distance. We take the ruler and we measure the distance from A to D, and we find that the measure is equal to 2 centimeter. So we write 2 centimeter. Thank you.